Hello, and welcome to another video by the Hacksmore team. I'm Emily, and I'll be taking you through the steps showing how easy it is to update your n8n install using Portainer. So first, let's see if you actually need to update. If you log into your n8n site and look down the bottom left of the screen, you see a little present icon saying Update. Given we need to upgrade, our first step is to let's log into our local host. And let's now open Portainer. And then open the container section. Next, we need to select our main n8n installed container and select the Recreate option. Once prompted, select the Repull option. Once complete, the system will automatically restart the container, and then job done. If we log into our n8n environment, now you can see that we are now updated with the latest n8n release.